I am a Catalan, today a province of Spain. But what has been Catalonia? Catalonia has been the greatest nation in the world. I will tell you why. Catalonia has had the first parliament much before England. Catalonia had the beginning of the United Nations. All the authorities of Catalonia in the 11th century met to speak about peace. At the 11th century. Peace in the world and against wars. The inhumanity of wars. This was Catalonia.
And so it is. In the 20th century, our society waged a fierce battle against fascism, against a dictatorship that forced thousands of people, such as Pau Casals, to go into exile for their ideas. Later, we also fought many injustices in all parts of the world. In the Bosnian War, Barcelona regarded Sarajevo as another neighborhood of the city and supplied it with human aid. Many Catalan citizens opened up their homes to thousands of Bosnian refugees. Refugees, such as myself and my mother, who were fortunate enough to escape from the horror of the massacre of Srebrenica. When we were most in need of help, Catalonia took us in, and today I can say I am a Catalan. In the 21st century, the commitment to the values of peace and justice has not ceased. The Catalan people have organized mass demonstrations against the Iraq war, and recently one in favor of offering shelter to the refugees. Barcelona staged the largest demonstration in Europe expressing its solidarity with the refugees. In recent years, Catalonia has mobilized its citizens in order to freely decide its own political future. Millions of people have peacefully asked to hold a referendum for self-determination. But the response of the Spanish state has always been no. Last October 1st, the Catalan institutions called a referendum. But the Spanish state opposed the people's wish to vote using brute force. The Spanish government sent a force of 12,000 police agents to occupy Catalonia, and they wounded 900 defenseless people who were simply trying to vote. Despite this, millions of people turned out to defy the state democratically by exercising their right to vote. The Catalans have no army. Our only weapon is solidarity and our people. This is what we have always used to fight injustice all over the world. For this reason, we need your help now, more than ever. Please, don't abandon us. The struggle of the Catalans should also be the struggle of all Europeans to save democratic values. Catalans helped me, and now I ask you to help Catalans. Please, share this video. Help Catalonia.